The Midea Duo portable air conditioner features an advanced self-evaporative system that handles moisture automatically in most conditions. However, there are specific situations when you'll need to manually drain the unit. Under normal conditions, the Midea Duo's self-evaporative system automatically handles condensation. The unit evaporates moisture during the cooling process and expels it through the exhaust hose, eliminating the need for frequent manual draining. Manual drainage becomes necessary in three main situations: during periods of high humidity, when the unit experiences heavy continuous use, or when operating in dehumidifier mode. These conditions can overwhelm the self-evaporative system's capacity. Your Midea Duo will display a P1 error code when the internal bottom tray is full and requires draining. This is your unit's way of telling you that the self-evaporative system can no longer handle the accumulated moisture. Newer Midea Duo models include smart features with app control, allowing you to monitor performance and manage settings that affect condensation. Additionally, as of June 2025, there have been recalls on certain Midea air conditioners, so it's important to contact Midea to check if your unit is affected. In summary, you shouldn't need to drain your Midea Duo frequently under normal conditions. The self-evaporative system handles most moisture automatically. Manual drainage is typically only required in very humid environments or when the P1 error code appears. Midea Duo air conditioners have two drainage options: manual draining for occasional use and continuous draining for high humidity environments. The unit has two drain ports. The top port works with the self-evaporation system, while the bottom port is used for manual drainage when needed. For manual drainage, follow these 5 essential steps to safely remove water from your unit. Step 1. Locate the drain plug. You'll find the drain cap at the back or bottom of your unit, usually marked clearly. Step 2. Position a shallow pan behind the unit to catch the water. Keep towels handy as water will pour out immediately when you open the drain. Step 3. Carefully unscrew the drain cap. Be prepared. Water will start flowing immediately once the cap is removed. Step 4. Gently tilt the unit backward to drain all water completely. Don't tilt too far to avoid affecting refrigerant levels. Step 5. Securely replace the drain cap and clean up any spills. For continuous drainage in humid environments, set up a permanent drain system. Locate the continuous drain outlet, remove the plug, attach the included drain hose, and position it to flow downward into a container. Remember these maintenance essentials: clean the air filter every 2 weeks, fully drain the unit before storage, regularly check continuous drains for blockages, and contact a Midea authorized technician for any complex issues.